Hi everyone, my name is Erica and I'm here to tell you about the website I designed for my nonprofit. Let's go back up to the top here. So it is called Hideouts for Introverts, and I guess you could say my inspiration was like the Habitat for Humanity kind of charity. This is kind of my spin on that. It's a little bit of a parody charity, if you will. But in all honesty, I am an introvert and I like the idea of having a hideout. So I think that would be a really cool thing to have. So the idea for this organization is that people come together and volunteer to build hideouts for introverts who need alone time to recharge, but they have no place where they can be alone and have solitude. So we make them these little like huts or sheds and things that they can be alone in. This is my logo right here. It's kind of small, but it's like a little roof house with hideouts for introverts inside. And I chose these colors, the blue and yellow colors, throughout here, because blue is something that reminds me of kind of like peace and quiet, which is what introverts are craving. And then yellow, because in my research, found that yellow was something that was used by a lot of nonprofit organizations. So I thought that would be good. So I started out, I'm a very visual person. I like the sliders. So I started out with this full width slider here. And this is the second image. This introvert here who needs a place to hide. So we're going to build her a hideout. And so this is my first supporting section. Showing that we're a worldwide organization, so I chose images with a map and people coming together. This explains what a hideout is, where someone can go in and be alone and recharge, and each hideout has art supplies, puzzles, movies, charging stations, bookshelves. Basically, it sounds like heaven to me. And then the third supporting section here talks about what it's like to volunteer. And how our extroverts who volunteer can make friends, and the extroverts are taken care of with their hideouts. Then down here I have these little testimonials. This was by a volunteer, and this is for someone who got her hideout. And then my call to action button, click here to volunteer. And I have my links up here that work to guide you down the page for each section. Yeah, I love the images that I found. I think they are good images to entice people to volunteer. People like happy, like peaceful. And I liked how I felt like the website is balanced. It pretty much turned out how I had designed it, which I really liked. The most challenging thing for me throughout the course had been learning the CSS code and understanding it. And it was difficult, but I felt like with this project it really came together, and I had a lot of fun using it to be able to make this website exactly how I wanted it to be, and it was really satisfying to see how what I'd learned throughout the semester really came together in the end. So yeah, this is my website, and thanks for watching.